back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and that would be my cat Marceline. She's saying hello. She just woke up from a nap, and you know what she likes. She likes to be on camera. What can we say? Anyways, you're not here for that. Today what I wanted to do is a quick I don't even know what to call this, collective haul of all of my Halloween shirts. I have quite a bit, not as much as Christmas. Christmas is when I really go all out. But I thought I would do a try on and just show you a couple of my shirts that I have and tell you where I get them from or got them from. And I'm really excited to do that. So let's start with the one I'm wearing right now. So this guy is the newest Halloween Spirit jersey from Disney. It is in a size small. By the time that I had made up my mind that I was willing to spend the money, the medium was gone. But the small fits great. I just like the medium on a Spirit jersey because I like things to be extremely baggy on me. Especially Spirit jerseys, because I feel like Spirit jerseys, it's meant to be fun and like easy breezy. So wherever Oogie Boogie is, I'll put a video of me showing you my shirt and how it looks on. I'm really excited to wear this. We're gonna go to Disney World in October, and I don't think it's gonna be cool enough for a long sleeve, but I think it's gonna be nice for like if we go to a restaurant and that's it, or something like that. I still really wanna wear it, especially at night because it glows in the dark, and I'm so excited about that. So that's the first one. The next thing I wanted to show you was my t-shirt. I got this one at Target. They always come out with great Disney t-shirts and like things like that close to Christmas. Now this is in an extra small. I was feeling very confident when I bought this. Hopefully when I put it on, it works. It's gonna be a little bit tight, a little snug, but we'll see. Hopefully it's a make it work moment, you know, like Tim Gunn says. But there it is. It's like a translucent, no, invisible, no, transparent. Yeah, I think transparent version of Mickey Mouse, but that's what it looks like. If it fits, it goes here. If it doesn't fit and it doesn't sit, then I'll put a picture of Marcy. But hopefully it fits. So that's that guy. The next one I wanted to show you is very similar to that one. So they continue with the transparent version. It is a long sleeve, which I like more. And I got this one, I want to say in the large. Or was it a medium? It was either a medium or a large because I wanted it to be baggy on me. So there it is. So there's the front of Mickey. Again, you can see his skeletal body. And then the back of it is super nice. It's like the back of him. Covering the booty, of course. But I just think it's really cute. I can't wait to wear it. Here in Arizona in October, it's still super hot. Scary hot outside. But, you know, I'm at home all the time because I'm still working from home. So it's gonna be great. The next one I wanted to show you, which is not Disney, but I also got this one at Target. It is a long sleeve sweater. It is obnoxious, over the top, totally me. Long sleeve. It's more of like a sweater material. It's really soft. I did wear this to work last year. If you don't know, I'm a teacher, so classrooms have AC most of the time. We do have that one or two instances where the AC doesn't work. Can you imagine that? That's not what this is about. Another scary moment though. So I do wear this. My students get a kick out of it. You can't miss me when I wear this. I absolutely love it. Yeah. I don't know if I wear it to the parks though because it's super soft and super warm. I don't know. We'll see. And then the last shirt that I have to show you is this the Nightmare Before Christmas. It's also from Target. It is like a muscle type tee. So we'll see how that fits because it's not always my favorite. I always feel like I'm going to the gym when I'm wearing that. Not that I wear them to the gym either. It's just something mental, you know? It's mental. But yeah, it's there it is. It says now and forever. Another one that's very popular. So there it is. And then the last things that I have is socks. Not sure if you are interested or not. But I have these pumpkin socks. I got these from Old Navy in the men's section. Check out the men's section. I don't know why they're still separated. I feel like, you know, you can wear whatever you want. So I always check the male section for everything and anything. Especially at Box Lunch. At Box Lunch, I feel like they have the best sweatshirts. And so I just end up buying those. But here's another pair of Old Navy men's socks in like a spider web. I think I got these at San Francisco. Another Old Navy pair with little bats, but you can't really see those. And then I don't know if you're like me, but I feel like Harry Potter fits into like the Halloween-ness ofness. Like because they touch Halloween in the movie, I absolutely consider it Halloween. It's kind of like Die Hard, it's a Christmas movie because it's during Christmas. Or Catch Me If You Can, another Christmas movie that I watched during Christmas. But yeah, so I have these Harry Potter socks that are meant to look like shoes, like school type shoes, slithering, because that's what I am. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this quick collective haul and try on of my Halloween stuff. Let me know if you want to see my Christmas stuff, although I think that one will be a little bit longer. Don't forget to like and comment. Let me know where the best stores is for merch, because I feel like I need more. I need at least one shirt for the day of the week for at least 7 days, if not 14. If I can avoid laundry for 1 week, that'll be great. So let me know where you found great merch for Disney that's not too expensive and it's Halloween-y. Yeah, let me know which one of these I should wear to the park. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time. Yeah, he doesn't talk. Adios.